How to adjust the height of the slot? First, remove the screws on both sides of the slot. Take out the slot. Don't forget to unplug the connecting cable. Lift the lane up. Then adjust the height of the screw hole bits. After removing the screws, pull this pole outward. Change the height through this screw. After adjusting this height, now to the part of the elevator. Each floor has a magnet. Whenever the height of the screw goes up or down, the corresponding magnet must be up or down to blocks. Then install the slot roll pole. Finally, you can put the slots up. Once the installation is complete, update the lane information on the machine. Press the machine ID. Enter the password. Go to the settings page. Press this button. Right, scan the slots. Each time you change the height, you need to scan it again.